All right, guys, I wanted to go over how to find where a graph or a function is increasing or decreasing. And so, very first thing is you can see here that this graph doesn't have an x or y coordinate. It just is a graph on a piece of paper. But we still can figure out where the graph is increasing or decreasing. We don't need the x, we don't need the y. All right. Now, remember, every graph is read from left to right. Every graph. Now, I'm going to start over here at the bottom left, and I'm going to be going up, increasing all the way over to about here. Then I'm going to put, that's a turning point. From there, I'm going to be going down until I get about here. There's a turning point. From here, I'm going to be going up, increasing till about here. That's a turning point. Then I'm going to be decreasing till about here. That's a turning point. Let me do that. Turning point vertical. All right, and from here up to about here, it's going to be a turning point. We're increasing on that interval, and then going down here, we're decreasing. So this, we are increasing. From here, once we pass the turning point, we're decreasing. From here, we're increasing. Once we pass the turning point, we are decreasing. That's what a turning point is. It means we change directions, and now we're doing the opposite now. So we were increasing in this interval, we're decreasing. Then once we pass this turning point, we're going to be increasing again. And then once we pass the turning point, we're going to be decreasing. So this is going to be the way this works no matter what happens, no matter what the XY coordinate looks like. So now if I go and I look and I add some graphing paper and I say, okay, here's the, whoops. And if I say this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, we can now figure out specifically what the intervals are. All we would do is we would draw our vertical lines down to the x-axis because that's going to be the numbers that we need in order to find out what the intervals are. So we could figure out, okay, from here over to here, in that interval, whatever those two numbers are, it's decreasing. From here over to here, whatever those two numbers are, it's increasing. So now, all I'm trying to get you guys to see is it doesn't matter what the numbers are. The graph is still going to have the same increasing, decreasing pattern regardless. So I'm going to back it out. So if I get rid of all of this stuff and I go back, no, there's no x or y coordinate. It's still, you can still look at the graph and tell where it's increasing or decreasing. So that for the next activity, I'm going to give you guys a blank piece of paper. I want you to draw your own graph, and I want you to label where is the function or where is the graph increasing, where is it decreasing, and also put in your turning points. Okay, that's the assignment.